갔어? 내일이야신가요?
This is day 2 and right now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to Nai Soy. I think it's one of the 3 most popular noodles in Bangkok. So we're gonna go and try out their beef noodle. David got this from the night market yesterday. Are you happy with your purchase? It looks very good on you.
Thanks. 하나씩 시키죠.
하나씩? 그러면 I'll do A4 and A1. 오빠는?
나도 이거 할래.
벌써 나왔어.
와우.
Thank you. 이게 맛있겠다. 이거를
약간 장조림 맛인데?
장조림 맛. It's a little too salty for me. The meat is really soft. It like literally like melts in your mouth. Can I try your noodle?
Better? 그래.
That noodle's better. So we're gonna ride a ferry to go to Wat Arun, one of the temples.
Wat Arun?
What are 30 baht for one
30 baht.
person?
Ooh, this is a new experience. Oh yeah. 너무 이쁘다. They gave me a skirt to wrap over. 나 지금 약간 패션 테러리스트인데 어쩔 수 없지. They also give us free water. Yay. 와우, 이렇게
Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on yesterday. Woke up at noon, I'm in.
It was way too hot, so we got coconut ice cream to eat and refresh. 와, 살것 같아. There's like coconut milk. We're at Siam Paragon. Before we eat lunch, we just came here to walk around because we're not hungry yet for lunch. So we're just gonna look around, find some things that we might want to eat later on. 오빠 타로 pie?
어디?
Can we eat that later? 여기 맥도날드에 There's like taro pie. 먹어도 돼?
오케이.
Yes. There's a lot of locals here, so I have high expectations for this place. My friend actually recommended this place to me. He said that this is like the best restaurant that he went to during his Bangkok trip. 궁금해. First ever 솜땀. It is spicy. 약간 한국 김치 이런 느낌인 것 같아. 오, 난 괜찮은데? 오, 근데 it's too spicy for me. 근데 맛있어. 볶음밥에 먹으면 맛있을 것 같아. 진짜 맛있다. I definitely like it more than the saffron. Now we're gonna have back to Siam Paragon to eat more lunch and have lots of desserts.
맛있어?
The sauce is really good. It's good with chili sauce too. Wait, let me try this. 약간 갸유뚱하긴 한데 무맛. But anyhow, it's good. We're gonna finish eating this and then go to other stores for desserts. They said milk 이게 베스트인 것 같아. 근데 초콜릿도 맛있대. 근데 이게 생각보다 더 달고 이게 덜 달대. 우와. 오, it's hot. 왜 달다고 하는지 알겠어. 약간 연유 느낌이야. Sauce is cold, like not cold, but like it's not hot. And then bread is hot. 먹으면 먹을수록 또 먹고 싶다.
cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon! Yeah, this white sauce tastes like Cinnabon's white sugar frosting, but it's like less sweet than that. We got a Thai tea from Top Jamu and Taro coconut pie from McDonald's. I don't know if this is like a Thailand thing, but we're gonna try it. Oh, it's not that sweet.
Oh really?
그래서 좋아.
그러네. It's like 50% sweet.
It's not purple. 맛있어. Doesn't taste really like taro.
It's more like coconut.
It's like 70% coconut, 30% condensed milk. Which one do you like more, this or corn?
I actually like corn better.
Both are good, but if you had to pick one, I would recommend the corn. Just because the other one was like corn pie. Well, this one is like taro coconut pie. 진짜 맛있다. 맛있다. 안에 there's sticky rice 올까? Mango sticky rice. 나 분명히 진짜 배불렀는데. 맛있지? Do you like the sticky rice inside? 괜찮아? Oh, you didn't like it yesterday.
뭔가 스트레스나.
We just got our foot massages for 60 minutes and it was literally the best foot massage I ever got. The pressure was really good. So we might come back for a full body Thai massage tomorrow because it was so good. This place is called Moon Massage, which is close to Siam Paragon. It's only like a minute or two. So must check it out if you're around the area. Ta-da! Happy birthday message. What is inside this? Cake soba! Thank you, that's so sweet. Kim Malai is so nice. Everyone in Thailand is so nice. 감동 먹었어.
The happy. Woo! It's his birthday. Woo! Woo! 바구나.
Wow. Crab meat is so big. It's both of our first time eating morning glory. This is like, oh, bok choy. 맞나?
Yeah.
I love bok choy. That's so good. The crab meat 진짜 크다. I feel like I'm eating lobster.
It's only 7:40.
Whoa, alligator.
Oh my gosh. 아무도 없어 아직.
아, 너무 일찍 왔어.
너무 일찍 왔나 봐.
We literally just walked the Kaohsiung Road and now we are at Jodd Fairs. We're hoping to eat some snacks here and also shop and enjoy the night market. Compared to the night market yesterday, there are like way more people. It's way cleaner. 그치?
Yeah. 한 10바트씩 밥 비싸.
아, 진짜? So apparently it's a little more expensive than the other place. But I feel like they have a lot more options here.
I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire.